of why the devolution is all about each county doing its own thing is because the requirements per county are very different. Because the animals in Murang'a and what are required in the animal husbandry in Murang'a is not the same as Northeastern. It's not the same as Makueni. It's not the same as and I want you to look at Schedule 4. Schedule 4 of the Constitution, because you are a member of Parliament and you are supposed to clearly understand the Constitution, so that when you are making law and policy at the national level, you look at Schedule 4. It clearly states that part of the schedules of the national government is agricultural policy. Agricultural policy, veterinary policy, health policy. That's at the national level. When you go at the county government functions under agriculture, you have crop and animal husbandry, which now includes those activities, livestock sales yard, county abattoirs, plant and animal disease control. Plant and animal disease control, because now that's part of the responsibility of the county, not the national government. That's the Constitution. When you go to health, at the county level, while at the national level you have policy, at the county level you have county health facilities and pharmacies. You have ambulance services, promotion of primary health care, licensing, control and undertakings, veterinary services, cemetery, refuse removal and such. So what you are talking about, you are not limiting. What you are doing is you are passing a law and then you are going further to implementation instead of providing the money to the counties for the counties to implement. And this is why I'm saying we have had a clear clawback on devolution functions by the national government, and especially on the point of service delivery of Wanjiko, because it has become a political theater. Because you want to meet the people, under the agendas of the national government, you have not been able to do activities that meet the people. Yep. So where do you want to meet farmers? At veterinary services, when you're providing immunization, when you're providing vaccines. If you are not able to meet the people at the county level, you take one of the county government functions, meet the farmers at farmer registration, meet the farmers at fertilizer subsidy distribution. And this now becomes what is supposed to be a clearly county government function. It's uptaken. And I want to challenge Mheshimiwa here. Go look at the national budget, the Ministry of Agriculture right now, and then look at the county government budget. You'll find that the budget of agriculture, which is clearly a national county government function, which is a devolved function, the national governments hold the bulk of the budget of the national budget, whereas the county combined, the total 47 counties holds a fraction of that budget, which is at the national level. Then you ask yourselves, if the resources are supposed to meet functions, when are the money going to come to the